ready, as we are doing.
Reprise le débat. The honourable member for Edmonton Manning. I just want to advise the member, though, that I'm going to have to interrupt him, unfortunately, so he only has a few minutes.
Okay. Well, thank you. Thank you, Madam Speaker, for being so generous, giving me 2 minutes to speak on such an important bill today. I guess I've been hearing a lot before, and I mean, my observation on this whole thing is that this government have created a monster and creating a problem which is taken with it as a business case, all the risks. And funny enough, that this government is congratulating itself over the good result that this is going to generate, disregarding all the opinions of the people, the parents, municipalities, police forces, all the stakeholders across the country, all the public opinion there, the consultation that hasn't been done properly, not allowing the bill to go to committee, to be studied properly, all that on such an important bill hasn't been taken any consideration whatsoever by this government. So the only signs of an important bill, when you try to put legislation and you try to thank yourself of how good your job is at least give it enough attention to the public, make sure that people understand it, make sure people being asked the question, make sure we hear the people talking about it and hear their concerns. Otherwise, there's a large sum of problems and concerns out there that people are talking about, and unfortunately, the government is giving nothing but a deaf ear over this. So if I'm going to be going to list the number of issues, the number of concerns, will be probably instead of 2 minutes, we need hours and hours and hours to be able to express ourselves properly and make sure that what the Canadians are going to get out of this bill is something that is not going to be harmful as it is going to be unfair as it is, and it's going to be too much of a risk for family and for people. Therefore, I would like to, if I have 20 seconds, I would like to list the following problems: impaired driving, easy and direct pot access for children and youth, health impacts on brain development and youth under 25 years of age, health impacts of heavy users, such addictions, keeping drugs away from children and youth, especially home-grown plants and edibles, and workplace health and safety. These are enough problems. I hope this government will come to realization to give this enough time. Otherwise, we're looking for a disaster. Thank you.
I greatly apologize. Wish I could give the member more time, but it being